Howdy ho, everybody. Welcome back. We have us here a Lexus GS 300, and customer states, loud interior. Customer states that when she hits the brakes, it wants to stall, and when she hits the gas, it's fine again. So let's see what this thing does. Looks like we got 115,000 on the clock, and the broken engine illuminator is on, along with some other ones. Okay, it's plugging in the scan tool and see what this thing does. Okay, let's get some air going here because it's hot outside. Yeah, this thing, it is running pretty rough. I feel the car shake, and it seems to be seems to have an engine issue, but let's let the scan tool tell the story. Let's see. No, not a Fiat. I want a Lexus. Too fast. Automatic identification. The auto ID is probably not going to work. This thing is a year 2000. So let's see. Yeah, it does not support. Okay. Let's try again. Oh, whoa, it's running like crap now. How about that? That was weird. Huh, brake pedal goes straight to the floor. Also kind of weird. Okay. I'm betting I'm gonna find a very, very lean code. It's acting like it has a vacuum leak, so cross my fingers, let's see what it says. Oh, there we go. It's even worse. We got it. 1349 VBT system fault bank 1. So we have a variable valve timing issue. Okay, I'm gonna back this out of the parking space. I am not gonna drive this. I think I've seen enough to go down a diagnostic path. Whoa, almost stalled again. Let's get it into the stall and pop in the hood. And we'll see what I can find in there. Whoa, it's like chugging in. Chugga, chugga, chugga. Okay. Shut it down. Okay, so I went in to take a picture of those codes that I found, and while I was in there, I found more. Look at that. Cylinders 1 through 6 all have a coded misfire, as well as a P300 random. So, and it's got an EVAP fault. What I'm going to focus on right now is this VBT. The EVAP fault will not cause the misfiring condition that we have, and the rest of these are just a symptom code going, hey, I misfired, etc. So we're going to focus on this 1349. Come here, Lexus hood. What's in there? 2JZ, no shit, bro. Okay, I'm suspecting an issue with the VBT solenoid. I know that's not the name for these, but that's what it does. The oil flow solenoid right here that sends oil pressure to the camshaft gear to change valve timing. But I can't really get to that because there happens to be a plastic cover in the way. That is hot right there. So I'm going to pull this cover. I'm going to yank that valve out. I want to inspect the screen for any blockages or obstructions. Ooh, hot, 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 hot. This thing is roasting hot, the whole car. I don't even want to touch anything. No, it's dirty too. And I'm gonna have to pull this cover because I can't get this cover off with this cover on. Ooh, hot, 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 hot. Okay, two more bolts. Oh man, I slept in my contacts last night and my eyes are already super dry as it is, and now I'm over here under this 500-degree inch compartment. It's like melting my lenses to my face, and that's not coming off. Okay. It's not looking so good. Ooh, it's hot, 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 hot. Burn my fingies. Let's see if it moves. Okay, the pencil does move. But I noticed, look at that. It'll get stuck. Yep, see it right there? It's stuck. There it goes. Stuck again. Alright, I'm going to put this back in and then run the engine. And if it misfires, I'll give this thing a tappy tap and see if it goes back. Yeah, let's put this back in real quick and see if I can clear it up. I'm not going to run this engine without putting that bolt back in, because if this bad boy flies out while it's running, it's going to shoot oil everywhere, and that would be bad. And let's plug that in. Okay, it's starting the engine now. Alright, nice and smoothish. Not really. Okay, I'm gonna clean this thing up with some parts cleaner and see if we can't get some of this varnish off, and perhaps it'll start to function as designed once I clean everything up. Hot. See what this thing does. Let's plug it back in. Okay, let's put this bolt back in. Let's see if this thing is gonna idle properly. Aha! Feeling better already. Let's give it some throttle. That's going to actuate that solenoid, and we'll see what it does then. Okay. Alright, well, I'm going to give them the option to let this ride as it is, or replace it with another one. I think there's a lot of buildup inside of this just because of its age. I'm going to suggest that we do an oil system cleaning, just to maybe attempt to remove some of that buildup and varnish, etc., because that's what caused this solenoid right here to stick. In either case, right now I've got it together and operating as designed. Therefore, I have a confirmed diagnosis at least, and we're going to go from there. Okay, well, since this thing is in good working order and there's no parts available right now, they're going to go ahead and take it as it is. We're going to order this solenoid, and we're going to change that out and do an oil system cleaning next time it comes back, which I think that's going to be maybe in a week or so. But who knows? They may never come back, because now it's kind of fixed. But we'll find out. All that being said, I'm gonna slap this bad boy back together and go ahead and close this one out. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you had a good time watching me diagnose this really weird misfire condition. If you did like this video, or if it helped you out, please let me know about it by giving this video a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. Okay, that's that. We're under there. Okay, let me fetch my scan tool. Check that one. Okay, folks. Well, it's pouring out rain pretty bad, so I'm not gonna back this out and make the customer walk out into the rain. Plus, I'm not going to rain, or not going to walk out in the rain. All that being said, thank you guys again for watching this video. And as always, don't forget, have a great day. Look, I'm touching their car with my filthy gloves. Don't forget the in the comments.